What's up, y'all? It's your boy Cobra Cole back with another video, man. This is be a short video. Just showing y'all. I just want to go over what's going on in the market and what we're looking for this week coming up. Um, and this week coming up is supposed to be a very volatile week. Um, it's a bunch of news every day, like red folder news this week. For every day. Um, if we can see, if you look right here on the weekly chart, we have a no trade zone, but this is more for swing traders that's holding it more than a week or so. As you can see, we've been in this no trade zone since like December 1st. Um Hopefully we get out of this. Probably go lower or higher. I don't know. I think we're in a correction, like going down right now. Before we get to a point where we can go higher. Um, if we go to the daily, you can see it more clearly where we in this range where it's just buyers and sellers here. Um, then let's go down. Let's actually go down lower to the 4 hour. I have these lines marked up is because on the 4 hour, this line right here is an area where price haven't corrected yet. So I'm thinking price might be coming down to that area. And then on the hourly right here on this line is a price. Right, let me show y'all um where price hasn't been corrected. I'm counting this as a high right here, where as you can see price haven't corrected under that. And like I said in past videos, a real correction is when a body close below or above the line. That's where I see as a real correction. Um and let's go back to the 4 hour. But technically, we have, like I said, I think I uploaded it the last video that it corrected. I mean, it indicated it want to go shorter right here. So I'm looking for price to go shorter, but I want to see a correction back above here before we go shorter. But it just kept going down. A lot of people think the market is just crashing right now, like a whole bunch of things like gold, Nasdaq, silver, Bitcoin. They think everything is just crashing. The only thing right now that I believe is crashing is Bitcoin and probably oil. I believe oil is gonna keep going. It's gonna drop in price a lot. But other than that, I don't think everything is crashing. I think right now for gold, Nasdaq, and silver, S&P. I think right now we're just correcting so we can go higher. But yeah, these are some of the areas I got marked out that I'm thinking that price is just correcting to. If we don't go back up above this, like above this to go lower, then most likely we just gonna keep pushing, and then this will be an area where we'll correct back to eventually. Um, but for right now, I'm gonna be patient, see what goes on tomorrow, see what it's looking like on the hourly chart for tomorrow. So I take a day trade. Um, and yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the sessions right now we in Asian session. Market open up and it just was a drop, and then it closed this weekly opening gap that was right here. And yeah, that's it for Nasdaq. What I'm looking for in Nasdaq. Uh, let's go to gold right here. I'm still looking for gold to finish correcting under this level right here. Um, and this is a weekly level, I believe, if I'm correct. Um, let me see. Yes, it's a weekly level that I marked out. I want to see price come under this and correct before going up higher. But there's a huge chance that we can keep going lower and lower and lower. But this is where I see it, bro. You should always have two options in trading. Don't all your bias. The way I feel like when they say bias, they like this is what you're looking for the daily for what to happen that day. Okay, have two options. Like for ICC, it's always gonna be two options. It's either gonna sell or it's gonna buy. Like we're gonna either correct under this level or we're gonna make an indication to another level that's above or below. Like it's always a two option when it comes to trading. So, but the higher time frame, I'm looking for price to correct under this, so we can take buys. Um, yeah, and these are other levels that I would like to see price go to, but this on a weekly. This is the weekly, and yeah, I'm looking for price to go into that before buying. And the same thing is for um the same thing right here, bro, for silver. And then right here, this is a level that's been like I've been a while since we've been at this level. It's probably been maybe a year, some years, a year or so since we've been to that level, this level right here. So yeah, since 2011, since silver been at this level. So it's a huge chance that silver can come all the way back down to this level right here before going higher. Because we did give an indication on the weekly at this level, but it might take a while for that to happen. You never know. But for right now, we looking for correction under this level, which we got, but most likely it's gonna keep going down to this level. And that's really it for them two right there. Yeah, bro. And then Bitcoin, we're looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is crashing, like we said it was. I think Sky he got in right around here sometime, but the trade. I wish I would have held when I was up here. It was somewhere up here I think that I was in the trade, and I wish I would have held it. Like that would have been, boy, if I was in the actual trade, like all the way up here and held that jump. Yeah, I think right now I'm up like 90,000, 100,000 on paper trade. Um, but yeah, bro, I'm gonna continue holding it. Like I said, I believe price is going to crash low, like down here, maybe, probably, like to 13, bro. And then whenever it get down to like a real low level, that's when you should buy. But right now, you should be selling. The way I see it, bro, if you if you're doing long term trading, I think ICC is a good way to long term trade. But I think on certain things you should long term trade like Bitcoin, um, silver, gold, Nasdaq. You can do it. S&P, you can do it. The reason being is because like if it ever do crash, like for Bitcoin for example, when it do crash down here, you can a lot of people is gonna buy Bitcoin, bro. And when they buy it, it's gonna skyrocket back up. Um, and I think Bitcoin is really going to be one of them currencies that like when it do crash, people will buy. And I think this might be the last chance that people can buy it at this low price. Because after this, it's gonna be where you have to really buy it at a higher price. Um, But yeah, this might be the last chance, bro. And I'm really expecting price to come all the way down here. But other than that, I think that's really all I'm looking for, like looking forward for in the future in Bitcoin, and what I'm looking for next week for these other things. Um, Really not too much going on other than that. I did add Dogecoin to my list because eventually I will, if it look like it's going up, I might enter and take a trade all the way up. Because right now, bro, that shit is. I mean, you can buy a lot right here from off of this, but I think right now it's crashing, like it's really crashing, and it's gonna probably come back down to zeros before going up. Um, what else? Uh, all these other crypto, you could say it's crashing. but I think Bitcoin is really the main focus of this year for crashing. Um, yeah, bro, I really don't have much else other than that. Um, yeah, bro, I'm not gonna hold y'all up watching this video. Also, before we get off here, bro, I know I've been posting a lot of videos about trading and stuff, and eventually I will get back into the vlogging and all of that. But right now, bro, I'm I don't I'm not gonna say I don't have nothing to vlog. I'm just gonna say that that's not I don't think that's my main focus right now is vlogging. I don't think it is right now because I want to be able to use trading to make a interesting vlog, if that makes sense. Um, very interesting, more lifestyle, like doing stuff um with trading. I think that's what I want to do, and I want to do something a little different than vlogging when it comes to trading. And I have plans that I'm not gonna say it on here because I don't want nobody to take my idea. But that's the reason why I'm not as vlogging as much. But I will be dropping some vlogs. Don't worry, it's not gonna be the best edited and stuff until trading. I feel like I'm comfortable enough where it can just be more. I could put more into the vlogs basically with trading. Um, yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. I know a lot of y'all probably don't like the trading and all that, and y'all think I post a vlog like I used to, whatever. But I think y'all should take advantage of this. I'm showing y'all something that a lot of the rich people do. I think y'all should take advantage of this. Um, especially people my color. We Somebody can show us something or tell us something, and then we just throw it off like Bitcoin, bro. When people was telling you to get into Bitcoin, nobody wanted to listen. Look how high it went. It went all the way this far, bro. Like 126,000. Like you could have been up. Like people that got in, down here before it even opened for the market. The people that got in, like really got in, bro. They billionaires, Bitcoin billionaires. And it's crazy to think of, bro. But hey, bro, if they not out of the trade by now, they trying to hold that jump, and then they gonna end up losing so much money. Like, bro. But hey, it is what it is, bro. Take advantage of this, bro. For all the people that be watching me, take advantage of this, bro. Learn trading, bro. Trust me. Don't say you got too much. It's too much time. It's gonna take up too much time, bro. That's all right, bro. The free time you got, learn it. Once you learn it, bro, you're gonna have something forever that you can make money and don't have to worry about nothing else. Like, it's okay. But yeah, bro, I'm out of here, man. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bro, I'm out.